Introducing ThoughtSpot for Starburst, the simplest, fastest way to apply live analytics for federated search across data lakes, on-prem data stores, and multi-cloud data sources. Starburst provides ThoughtSpot with a single point of access to dozens of data sources. To get started, we just create a connection, join our tables regardless of their underlying data store, build a worksheet or a metadata layer for optimizing the search experience, and start searching. Here at Burst Bank, we have questions about our customers and their accounts. The challenge is, data is growing at historic rates, and our customer data lives in many different stores built for different purposes. With Starburst, we can instantly federate searches across all these sources without months or years of building a single source of truth. So let's start by creating a connection. We simply give our connection a name, enter our Starburst credentials, and select the tables we want to use. We'll connect to data around customers, accounts, products, and even some state census data, so we can answer a broad range of business questions with this single connection. With Starburst's unique query process engine, we can see data from sources such as Google BigQuery, Hive, PostgreSQL, and other cloud and on-prem sources within a single connection, and search across all these sources without any data movement. Now, this is cool. Next, we'll join our tables in ThoughtSpot. Here, we've joined our account table from BigQuery with all our payment tables in Hive. And we've also joined our account table to our customer table in PostgreSQL. We'll see how powerful this is in just a few seconds. But first, we want to build out a worksheet with all our tables. This is where we can optimize our data for search by adding synonyms, modifying the aggregations, specifying geographic configurations, and more. And that easily, we can start searching across all this data with live analytics. Now, okay, imagine how long it would take your data engineering team to move and consolidate all this data into a single source before you could even start to do something like this, right? So let's ask, how many delinquent auto payments do we have by state? Sounds simple, right? But when we look at the SQL this search generates, we can see that Starburst is querying data in Hive, BigQuery, and PostgreSQL to return this result. Over in our Starburst Insights UI, we can paste the SQL from ThoughtSpot and run the query again to see what happens under the hood. In the query details, we can see how the query executed. And we can click into the advanced details to see what was happening across each of our 3 data stores, along with the query plan and additional execution details. All of this was completely transparent as we searched in ThoughtSpot. That's the power of live analytics with federated search from ThoughtSpot, powered by Starburst. Insights at the speed of thought across all your data sources.